We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing and games. At Busybody Kids, we always love to play.
Hi!
Hi!
What's that noise?
Window!
The window?
Yes.
No, I don't think it's that. Can you hear that noise?
A TV!
No, I don't think it's the TV.
A train!
It's the train! Look, here it comes.
Train!
Wow, look! It's our Duplo train. Oh no! It's missing all of the numbers.
Let's go find it.
Good idea. Can you help us find it? Come on. Yeah, let's go.
Number 1.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Okay. Got it.
Good job. And look what's next to the number 1. It's one drum.
1 drum.
Yeah, good job. Look here. Do you know how to play a drum?
Yeah.
Wow. We found the number 1 block with 1 drum. Now, what are we looking for next?
A train.
Yeah, so we're looking for another block for the train. What comes after number 1? Do you know? Let's count. Ready?
Ready.
1,
1.
2. We're looking for the number 2. Let's go.
Okay. Got it.
Wow, you found the number 2.
Got
Good
it.
job. And look what's next to the number 2. We have 1, 2
And the
dinosaurs. Are they eating the number 2? Cool. All right, let's see. What dinosaurs are these? What dinosaur is this one?
This one. And dinosaur man.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Now that we found the number 2, what comes next?
3.
3. Yeah, good job. Come on, let's go find the number 3. Can you see the number 3 anywhere?
Up there.
Where?
Up there.
There it is.
What's
Wow, look what's next to number 3. What's this?
that? The blue.
Yeah,
And red and orange.
yeah, it's butterflies. Well, there's 3 butterflies by the number 3. Wow, butterflies are full of beautiful colors and patterns. Alright, this is number 3. What comes after number 3? Do you know? It's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4. Should we go find the number 4?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Whoa.
That's it.
There's the number 4.
And then the eating.
Yeah, they look like they're eating it because the number 4 is green like grass. The block is green like grass. And these animals are farm animals. And
That's eating.
yeah, and farm animals eat grass. Aaron, what animal is this one? Do you know what this one is? It's a sheep.
It's a sheep and cow and chicken and goose.
Good job. All right, what noise does a sheep make? And what noise does a cow make? Good job. And what noise does a goat make? Does a goat go moo? Can you tell me what noise a goat makes? I think a goat goes eh. So now we found the number 4. What comes after 4?
It's 2.
Does number 2 come after the number 4?
Yes.
Does it? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5. Let's go find the number 5.
yes.
Look, there's the number 5. And it's got 5 race cars. Right, let's count the race cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, and do you see the race cars are all different colors? Can you see the different colors? Aaron, what colors are the race cars? And go. Red,
Red, purple, yellow, and green.
Yay! Good job! So what comes after number 5? 6!
6!
Come on, let's go find number 6.
Got it!
Good job! And look, who is sitting by the number 6?
Juma, Sky, and Marshall, Rocky, Chase, Rubble.
Good job! Do you know how many Paw Patrol there are? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Paw Patrol with the number 6. Alright, what comes after 6?
It's Bubble Way.
7.
Bubble Way.
Yeah, alright.
Mommy, I found number 7. 7 shapes.
So let's start at the bottom. Let's start with a hexagon.
And it's a tree here.
It's a square.
And circle and hexagon.
This is
and
pentagon.
star.
A star.
And triangle and rectangle.
Wow, good job. What comes after number 7? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's go find block number 8. Look, we found the number 8. And there is Mr. Inkling Octopus from Octonauts. Now, why do you think that there's only one octopus next to the number 8? That's because an octopus has 8 legs. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now what comes after the number 8? 9. That's correct. Come on, let's go find number 9. Well, look, here's the number 9.
And jewelry.
Yeah.
And a dog.
Yeah, good job. And look, we have 9 different colored markers. We can use these markers to draw the number 9. I'm going to choose a black marker. What color marker would you choose?
And this one.
Would you choose an orange one?
And this.
Alright, now I'm going to draw the number 9. Now what do we get if we put the number 1 and the number 0 together? We get the number 10. And look here. Now we got 10 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we've got all our blocks, let's go put them on our train. We did it! Yeah! Look! Here comes our train now! Wow! We've completed our train! If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.